Hello students. Today we are going to study Mathematics Part 2 of Standard 9, Chapter number 4, Construction of Triangles. In Chapter number 3, we studied some properties of triangles. First construction. To construct a triangle when its base and angle adjacent to the base and the sum of the length of the remaining sides is given. For that we will solve practice set 4.1. Question number 1. Construct triangle PQR in which QR equal to 4.2 cm, major angle Q equal to 40 degree and PQ plus PR equal to 8.5 cm. First we will draw rough figure of triangle PQR in which equal to 4.2 cm and major angle Q equal to 40 degree. Now we will start with the main figure. So first we will draw segment QR equal to 4.2 cm. Help of protractor, draw angle Q equal to 40 degree. Now PQ plus PR equal to 8.5 cm. So with the help of compass, take measurement of 8.5 cm and make an arc from point Q on the ray and mark point D. Now join point D and point R. Now with the help of compass, we have to bisect DR. So keep the compass on point R and take the measurement of more than half of distance DR and make the arc on both the sides. Now with the same distance, make the arc with the compass to both the sides of segment DR. Join both the arcs with the help of scale. Now the point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of side DR and side QD is point P. Now join point P and point R. So triangle PQR is constructed. Now we will move on to question number 3. Construct triangle ABC in which BC equal to 6.2 cm, angle ACB equal to 50 degree. AB plus AC equal to 9.8 cm. Now draw rough figure of triangle ABC in which angle ACB equal to 50 degree and side BC equal to 6.2 cm. Construct main figure. First, draw BC equal to 6.2 cm. Now, with the help of the protractor, construct angle C equal to 50 degree. Now, as AB plus AC equal to 9.8 centimeter, so with the help of compass, take measurement of 9.8 centimeter and keep the compass on point C and mark on ray. Plot the point D. Now join BD. Now, with the help of the compass, bisect BD. For that, keep the one end of compass on point B and take more than half measurement of BD and mark the arc on both the sides of BD. Now, with the same distance, keep one end of compass on point D and make the arcs intersecting to the first arcs. Now, join both the arcs with the help of the scale. Now, the point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of BD and segment CD is point A. Now, plot point A and join AB. Here, a triangle ABC is constructed. Similarly, we can construct triangle XYZ of question number 2 in practice set 4.1 as you can see on the screen.